Hello, everyone. John Aremza here, Black Diamond with Valentus. I'm going to take a few minutes here and I'm going to help you understand how important it is to start with the business pack and how you can actually take that business pack for $575 and turn it into $3,160 utilizing the 6-day experience. And the 6-day experience is what it is when you take and join the business with a business pack, $575, that gives you 350 sticks of the optimum coffee. Now, you're actually going to divide those into 6-day experiences, and you're going to sell those for $20. And as you do that, and let me tell you this, that when you're talking to somebody overweight, somebody that has struggled with the weight, here's what I can tell you. Number one, they think about it every single day. They're willing to try anything. I can tell you for myself, I've tried everything. And when you think about $20 to try a product for 6 days, it's like, the cost of a breakfast, right? And it could possibly work. What I mean to share here is this, it is the easiest thing I've ever done, sold, or talked about. You can't not sell a $20 6-day experience. I mean, it's like the resistance is absolutely zero. So you're going to find, if you're willing to go out there and say weight loss coffee, if you're willing to go out there and offer someone a 6-day experience, the resistance is virtually non-existent. They're extremely easy to sell. So you take this business pack for $350. It's 350 sticks of optimum coffee, divide it up into 6-day experience, gives you 58 6-day experiences, and you're going to sell those for $20. And as you do that, you're going to turn that into $1,160. Everybody talks about starting a business and being in the black, right? Meaning you're profitable. Just by selling these 6-day experiences, you become profitable. Matter of fact, you double your money. Now, what we've learned is if you go out there and sell these 58 6-day experiences, we're finding about 50%. If you do the proper follow-up, getting back with these people and doing the correct and proper follow-up, you're going to have a 50% conversion. 50% conversion in people that at least want to be customers. And so they're going to buy anywhere from 1 canister or maybe as much as 3 canisters, and you're going to earn on a 1 canister $20, on a 3 canister $40. So let's use an average of $30. So if you take 30 customers and earn an average of $30, you're going to earn $900. Now keep in mind, that's just the first time they buy it. We find that once somebody starts using the product, they continue to use it and continue to use it. So that earnings just kind of compounds. But we're just looking at a first-time example where you join with a business pack, $575, turn it into 6-day experiences, sell the 6-day experiences, turn it into $1,160, convert 50% to customers. That's $900 additional dollars, right? And I also believe that you're going to find at least 6 people out of those 30 customers or out of those 58 6-day experiences that are going to want to do what you're doing, right? Which is go out there and talk to people about Valentus, become a Valentus IR. What I found is people do what you do, right? The example that you set. So you came in with a business pack, the likelihood they will as well, and want to duplicate what you just have done. And so 6 people at the business pack level, you earn $100 first order bonus. So 100 times 6, that's another $600 you'll earn by having those 6 people join. We have a legacy bonus. And the legacy bonus begins with your 4th person you bring in with a business pack. So the first 3 complete what we call your foundation team, starting with the 4th person. So the 4th, 5th, and 6th person, you're going to earn a $100 legacy bonus on. So that's another $300. And then we have a bonus. We have a global bonus where the shares average about $100 per share. And you get a share for every 3 people you bring in with a business pack within a calendar month. So let's say you brought all 6 within a calendar month. That would be 2 shares in the global pool at $100 a piece. That's another $200. So folks, you add this up, you've taken a business pack for $575. You've turned it in to $3,160. The only question is, how fast are you going to do it? I mean, is it going to take you a week? Is it going to take you a month? Is it going to take you 3 months? I mean, what if it took you a year? What if it took you a year to take $575 and turn it into $3,160? I mean, even that is a pretty good equation.